Kansas wants to pass a law that would ban foreign citizens and corporations from buying 3 or more acres of land there. The Kansas Attorney General supports the bill. He says he believes foreign nationals are buying land in order to spy on the U.S. or take our food supply. Oklahoma passed a similar law in November. News on 6's Chloe Abbott takes a look at what's at stake with this new proposed bill. Chloe?
Lori, Oklahoma's law bans non-U.S. citizens from buying land here. The law was passed after people from other countries were buying land in Oklahoma and operating thousands of illegal marijuana farms. Kansas Attorney General Chris Kobach says Chinese nationalists and Mexican drug cartels are a threat to Kansas. He uses Oklahoma as an example of why Kansas needs to pass a similar law.
The land they're acquiring in Texas and Oklahoma tends to be larger acreage. And so they tend to have a series of safe locations that they move to. And so the presence of Mexican cartels is very real.
Marty Richenberg is a farmer in Independence, Kansas. He raises cattle and grows grain, wheat, and corn. He supports the proposed bill.
We can't outbid the Chinese government or a cartel, and then they'll end up buying that ground and put more and more ground together, and pretty soon the biggest farmer in the state, and that's how they can begin to influence policy and influence what's done with our food system.
Okmulgee County Sheriff Eddie Rice says foreign landowners were causing huge issues in Oklahoma before our law was passed.
You would have semi-trucks that would show up in the middle of the night. You'd have cargo vans showing up, which, you know, they're taking their marijuana or whatever, fentanyl, who knows what all they had, and transporting it to wherever their destinations were. But you know, also you'd be bringing people in. It's not just narcotics. It would be human trafficking.
Sheriff Rice believes more needs to be done to protect Oklahoma land.
A country could have somebody set up that's from here, that they buy the land, put it in their name, and then they are receiving the benefits from this. And there's got to be a mechanism that helps us monitor things.
4 similar bills in Kansas failed last year after some questioned whether they were constitutional. If this Kansas bill becomes law, then a 5-member land council will be created to review requests for exemptions. Live in Tulsa, Chloe Abbott, Oklahoma's Own, News on 6.